Welcome to EAGTAX and our tax advent calendar, where we'll be sharing tax tips and explanations in the lead up to Christmas. For day 5, we will be covering employee benefits. Most benefits provided by your employer are declared on Form P11D. Historically, with benefits reflected on your PAYE code, this caused problems with a delay and accuracy in the collection of tax. In the example of a PAYE code, it shows how the tax-free allowance is impacted by allowable expenses and benefits. In this scenario, the individual would be taxed as if they have a tax-free personal allowance of only £4,600. The problem arises when the code is not updated until the P11D is filed in the July following the tax year end. Some employers are now taking advantage of payrolling benefits, which means they collect the tax from your salary on a more accurate and timely basis. If your employer has opted for this method, be sure to update your PAYE code with HMRC, otherwise you could end up being taxed twice by a restricted code and a payroll deduction. In 2017, HMRC introduced new rules for optional remuneration arrangements. This is where individuals sacrifice an element of their salary in return for a benefit. Your employer will need to work out the value of the benefit by using the higher of the amount of the salary given up and the charge under the normal benefit in kind rules. These rules do not apply to payments into pension schemes, employer-provided pensions advice, childcare vouchers, workplace nurseries and employer-contracted childcare, the Cycle to Work scheme and cars with CO2 emissions of 75 grams per kilometre or less. Your employer can provide tax-free benefits such as training courses, subsidised canteen meals, a mobile phone, up to £500 of professional advice relating to pensions, access to sports and recreational facilities, death in service benefits, suggestion and encouragement awards, medical checkups or health screening assessments. If your employer offers you benefits as well as your salary award, it is definitely worth making sure you understand the tax implications. We hope you found this useful. Please take a look at our website for more information and contact details at eagtax.co.uk.